Stampin' with Amore, and I am back. I have been gone on vacation for we have been gone 10 days. So I am back. I did do some pre-recorded videos to keep you up on some projects that I had done, and I had them already, and I posted them all on YouTube. I didn't get to post them on Facebook. I just didn't have the time or the means when I was gone to do that. But my husband and I were on vacation. It was a trip of a lifetime. It was for our anniversary and for our my retirement. So it was an amazing, we went on a cruise, a Mediterranean cruise, and it was just, like I said, a trip of a lifetime. We had a wonderful time. For those of you who are friends on Facebook with me on my personal page, you saw some of the pictures that I posted, and it was just amazing. But I am so excited to be back crafting. I haven't crafted for 10 days, and I'm kind of going through withdrawal. It took me a few days to get back to normal. Today is the first day I'm actually feeling a little bit back to normal, because coming home we had a lot of cancellations and flight reschedulings, and it took us forever to get back home. So it was a long time, plus the jet lag. And anyway, I'm super excited to be feeling back to normal today. So I am sharing another treat bag. And this one's super cute, really, really quick and easy, and a fun one to do. I'm actually making these. I'm going to go see my friends this week at work, my coworkers, and I'm just going to bring them a little, I'm going to fill it with some miniature Hershey's Kisses, or not Kisses, but miniature Hershey's bars. And so I'm just wanted to bring them a little something. I really miss them. I couldn't wait to retire, you know, but I knew I'd miss my friends, but I'm really missing them. So I'm going to go see them, and I'm going to bring them. I'm going to do them all in the in-color colors. I did this one to show you some other designer series paper 6x6 that you can use to make these. And these would be great for like birthdays, a woman's tea, a girls get together. It would be really, really pretty. It has some gorgeous patterns. It is called Garden Impressions. And everybody knows now, right, that the new catalog is live and you can order from it now. Oh my goodness, that catalog is amazing. I've had so many good comments on it. And for those who are my customers, I've already sent you out a catalog. If you've ordered within the last 6 months with me, you've gotten one free from me. So if you do not have a demonstrator and you'd like a catalog, you can contact me on my blog at stampingwithamore.com and go to the contact section and put your name and address. A lot of people ask for the catalog and forget to put their address on there, but look at this paper. It's gorgeous. So I used this one for this bag here. And so I just changed it up a bit. All the ones that I'm going to make for my coworkers are going to be the 2018-20 in colors, but I wanted to share this one too because it's super, super pretty. So you've seen me use this paper before if you follow me. This is the new in color, and it's got the polka dots and stripes. It's got the lighter, like this one's Grapefruit Grove, it's got the lighter Grapefruit Grove and Grapefruit Grove, and then this one's just the white and Grapefruit Grove, and then there are polka dots on the other side. And this one's smaller polka dots, this one's the larger, and I love them all. I did order more already. I just got back a few days ago, so I just put my order in. So I'm going to be getting all the new colors also in that, not just the in colors. Super excited to get it. So this is what I'm sharing today. This one I'm going to do in the lovely lipstick because I am going to use these and I'm going to take them to my friends, like I said. So I was going to do the blueberry bushel, but it was so dark I was afraid I wouldn't be able to see it too good. So I'm going to go ahead and hopefully you can see it on the lovely lipstick. And like I said, this is one of the new in colors. So we're going to use the full 6x6, and you are going to score at first at 1 3/4, 2 1/4, 2 3/4, 4.5, 5, and 5.5. And then you just turn it, and you are going to score it at 1 and 5. Don't worry, everything's always posted on my blog, the project sheets. And also, when you're scoring this designer series paper, don't go back and forth a few times like I do sometimes on the cardstock. Just go one time. It can tear your paper if you're too rough with it. Alright, so hopefully you're going to be able to see. I'm going to go ahead and fold it so you can see better. So the score lines are running this way, and we're going to do it on this side. We're going to fold that top over, and I'm going to run some snail along the top just to hold down that piece there. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold this so I don't mess up on my score marks. I need to see them though. Okay, so we are folding kind of accordion fold on this, Mountain Valley style. I'm going to just use my bone folder here so I make sure. So can you see that right there? And then we're going to do the same on this side. This paper isn't the best for showing this. Okay, so that is that part. On the bottom, we're going to just go ahead and I'm going to fold it up here. And then this is going to be our bottom flaps on this side. Okay, so for cutting this, we are going to cut up this one right here. Now this is where our Mountain Valley fold is, so you want to cut this one. So these are our bottom flaps. It is very difficult to see, so I'm sorry about that. And then this very corner we're cutting off. So see how that is? These are our bottom flaps right here. I'm going to cut in a little bit on here so they fold in better. Okay, so it's going to look like that. So we're ready to put it together. I'm going to use some tear and tape. I still have some fast fuse, but I thought I need to start using my tear and tape. You won't, it's not the end of the fast fuse. I'm going to still use, I have some left, so I'm going to still use it. And then I'm going to remove this. The best way I find to remove this is from the center. Of course, I'm going to mess it up now, right? There we go. And then we're going to fold that over. And just adhere that, line it up really well. And this is going to be the back of my bag. So I'm going to fold these in, and then this will be, I'm going to use the fast fuse for this part. Make sure you're using a good strong adhesive. You can use even your Tombow for this. Okay, so there's our bag, and see it's got like a little, I scored that, I just thought it looked really nicer when it was scored on the sides. I'm going to use the 1/8 inch hole punch, and I'm going to punch just in the center, maybe about halfway down, and then I can fold this, line it up, and punch the other side. Just like that. Okay, I need to do this better. we go. And then I'm going to take my 1/8 inch coordinating ribbon. I'm probably going to need some help with this. And we're going to tie a bow in here. I like to try to keep it on the spool if any way possible. Let's see if I can do this without having to cut it. Okay, that's good. See if I can grab my ribbon scissors. It is upside down, but it's okay. I like to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so that is that. Now you are going to need another piece of lovely lipstick and a piece of Whisper White for our sentiment and to cut out our little heart. And oh, I didn't show you the framelits that I'm using are the Stitched Labels framelits. Now this coordinates with the Detailed with Love. And this does come as a bundle, so if you want to get the bundle, it's got some great sentiments on here, just for different occasions. And then it has another side here. It has these, and they all have stitching. You know how I love the stitched shapes. So when I saw this, I knew it was going to be one of the first ones that I got. Now, it also has these 3 pieces, this circle, that one, and this little heart. Keeping a close eye on that heart because I'm gonna lose it if I don't get it on one of my magnetic sheets. So I'm going to use these 3 for this project, and I'm also using the Itty Bitty Greetings. I told you this would be one of my go-to. It's perfect for bags, boxes, and that kind of thing because it's got the smaller sentiments on it. So I am going to use the Hey Friend, and I'm going to stamp it with the lovely lipstick. And we're going to use the Big Shot to cut that out. So let me grab it here. Let me get these out of the way. We're going to run everything through at the same time if possible. So I'm using my platform, my regular plate here, and that one is going to take this little Hey Friend, and then we're going to cut that one out, and the little, I'm going to put the heart right in the middle because we're not going to, oh no I can't, we need that. What am I thinking? Okay, we're going to run these through. My brain, you can tell, is still on vacation. Okay, so these are the pieces that we need. This little heart's so cute. It's got that little stitching around it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on here, but look how cute. And then this one. This one tends to hold on to those pieces, so I will take those out later. If you use the precision platform, it won't, but. And then we have our Hey Friend right there. Okay, what did I do with the little heart? Oh, I already put it aside because I do not want to lose that thing. It's so cute. Alright, so we are ready to put that on our bag here. I'm going to use some of our Whisper White 1/8 inch ribbon also, and I'm just cutting a small piece. It is going to be for behind our sentiment here. I'm going to add it with some fast fuse. I just love the monochromatic look. of this one. And then I'm going to use some snail, and we're just going to put, I should have just put this all together and then put it on the bag, but like I said, my brain is still on vacation, I think. Okay. And then we're going to add our little sentiment here. And then we're going to add the little heart with a mini dimensional. And we're going to put it right there. So it's super, super cute. Oops. I need to scoot this over. I should have done this all off the bag like I did originally. It's so much easier. And then put it on. But there you go. There you have it. It's all done. It's super cute. These are really, really cute little bags. And let me see what it measures. It measures, oh, I've got this. See, I told you. It's when I got it upside down. All right. So we have it 1 3/4 by 4 by 1 inch wide. So there it is. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamory.com and shop for my blog. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'm so glad to be back with you, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye.